Protecting over 150,000 businesses and millions of employees around the globe, Huntress is making the world a better place, one cybercrime at a time. And the CEO has a major announcement on this episode of Taking Stock.
I came from this offensive cybersecurity background, and my whole goal was how in the world can I use my skills to kind of wreck hackers that are going after small and mid-sized businesses.
But how are you using your skill set to do that?
I think it's a combination of I've got legit hacking skills, I've got teammates with them, but how do you put it simple so a mid-sized business or somebody who's not technical can understand the value?
Now, you recently announced that you raised over $150 million in a fundraise and bringing your total valuation to over $1.5 billion. Congratulations.
I appreciate that.
So what would you say is driving this momentum? How are you going to continue this?
A lot of companies can talk about being reactive. We try not to even settle for proactive. We got to predict, and that means expensive R&D, more technology, and what's neat is it better protects our customers. It also really adapts ahead of where hackers are going to go. We all know digital transformation is happening left and right, so nothing like adding $150 million of capital to help propel us and help protect our customers.
But it's challenging, right? Because the hackers, those bad actors out there, they have access to all the technology, all the AI, all the Gen AI that we do, right? So how do you stay ahead of that curve?
You'll hear people talk negatively about hackers, but to be very frank, they're some of the biggest, most creative innovators. So the stuff I love about your point is they're not only adopting these new innovative technologies, you will rarely find a phishing email that has now filled with broken English and all kinds of misformatted things.
Well, they're very sophisticated. It's not so easy to identify these bad actors anymore. And the majority of the time, the people falling victim to these phishing emails are usually the employees.
The thing that I think I love that you're highlighting is it's not just can you be sophisticated? It's can you be good enough? They're really just experts at getting the job done and moving to the next victim.
What would you say sets Huntress apart from its competitors?
First and foremost is culture. It turns out all the different crazy cybersecurity mantras out there usually talk about what innovative technology, what use of AI, but it's humans that power this stuff. We really pride ourselves the fact that we can build world-class experts and really world-class technology and ship that at the price of a product.
How do you get the trust of these companies and the enterprises that you work with today?
It turns out if you just come across ethical, humble, and take the time to speak in their language, what's not to love about that?
Making the connection.
I try.
Well, thank you for joining me today.
Awesome, thank you so much.